Today we are working on a Volkswagen CC. We're going to be doing brakes on it. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Next, we're going to want to put the vehicle in ignition position 2. We're going to be using a scan tool to get the parking brake into service mode. We're going to be using the 906 BT. It's one of my favorites because it's Bluetooth. It makes it very easy to service vehicles. Now we've got to make sure that the parking brake is off because it will not put it into service mode if the parking brake is on. With other scan tools, it might be a little different on how to get to the process, but if you have an Autel like me, you should be very similar to the way I do it right now. And we're looking for the screen that says EPB, which is electronic parking brake. And then we're selecting our vehicle. And then we're going to select parking brake. And then we're going to do the EPB function. We're going to press OK, and then just make sure that the vehicle battery is okay during communication. And then we're going to open the parking brake. Once you have this selected, you're going to want to make sure you hear that the parking brakes both retract. Start, and this is when you should listen for the calipers retracting right now. Once that's done, then we're just going to double check and see what the scan tool says. It says successful, so at this point we can turn off the vehicle and get started on the brake caliper. If you guys like more car videos like this, please subscribe. I am making more. Now that the calipers are put back together, we're going to put the vehicle in ignition 2, and we're going to go out of this test plan, and we're going to go to closing the parking brake right there. And now that we've verified that it's successful, we're going to get out of here. We're going to disconnect from the vehicle and then put the wheels back on. After we disconnect, we're going to pump the brake pedal several times, and then we'll check the fluid level. If you don't know what fluid your vehicle takes or has in it, it's just safe to just do .4 always. If you don't know if it has .3 or .4, just always put .4, just a safe practice. If you guys like more car videos like this, please subscribe. I am making more.